Good morning, good night. I don't care how you want to look at it. It's 1:34 in the morning. We're out here seal coating, crack filling, a giant parking lot, literally a giant parking lot. Got the crew here, seal coating. That's the fresh sealer there. Got a second crew over here seal coating this spot. Over there we have already finished. This is a 4-day project, 300,000 square feet. There's a target over there. 300,000 square feet. It's between 6 and 7 acres. We did the crack filling, the seal coating, we did the line striping. We do it all. We do patching, paving, seal coating, line striping. We even do snow removal. You can see these lines here, they're still crisp from the other day. Might be a little difficult to see in the dark, but I just wanted to give you a brief showcase of what we do.